Hey guys, I guess it's part 3 or 4 or maybe 10, part 10 to the saga. I guess it would be the wheel saga. As you can see, we got our skinnies back. This is the replacement for the wheels that separated. Just got them in, haven't even opened the box yet. We're gonna have to get them mounted to see if they clear the brakes. From what I was told from Weld, they put a completely different barrel or an updated barrel on this set of wheels. As you already know, the wheel separated. I'm sure my wife will install or insert video here. That's another wheel, it just blew apart. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and unbox them, and I don't have the car here, or at least not on the lift. So we'll go ahead and get them mounted up tonight before I put tires on them, just to make sure. But we'll get the wheels mounted on the car, and tomorrow we'll go ahead and get the tires mounted, and then now we have a whole weekend of racing. So I'm gonna go out and hopefully rip it and keep the car together. So here, without further ado, we'll open up the box. They overnighted them to me, so I have to say, Tim at Weld Racing, his customer service has been way exceeded my expectations. He's been sending me random updates and just communicating very well. So on that side of it, I couldn't be happier. He even took a screenshot of my tracking information, and before he overnighted it, he was sending me like updates and stuff like that. So that's really, really cool of him. That's it. As you can see, these wheels look really, really pretty. What I did notice is for the updated barrel, kind of going on a ramble here, they opened the barrel a little bit more, so this lip isn't so much of a step down. So it definitely looks like it's going to clear. He did say I may or may not need the 5/16 spacer. I think I'm still gonna run the hub adapter just because I already paid for them and waited, and you know, time is money. So spent enough time to get them, so I might use them, but we'll see. See how it goes. We're back at the house. Weld, or Tim, I guess is my contact. So Tim wanted me to, whenever I got home tonight, make sure they fit. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull off the factory wheel, try out both of the welds on the same side, because I figure that's gonna fit. You know, if it fits, it fits. If not, we'll figure it out again. So we're gonna go ahead and pull this off and put the weld on and see if it fits. So Tim said that I may need the 5/16 spacer. I'm gonna go ahead and try it without it, and let's see how it goes. I would say if it fits, that's a good thing. But let's see once we get tires mounted if I can make it out of my driveway this time. Trying it without the spacer. Nope. I think we need the spacer. Well, we tried putting the wheel on without the 5/16 spacer. I wasn't a really big fan of how close it was. I don't think it would have fit. I intend on keeping these wheels, so I don't want to damage them. So this is take 2 with the 5/16 spacer.